Okay, hello everyone. This is review questions again from the book Principles of Electromagnetics, first chapter. Let's see what the question is. A wedge is described by z is equal to 0 and a phi, it's given that it varies from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Then we have to choose which statement is incorrect. Some set of statements are given. You have to choose which is incorrect. First of all, let's see what this says, that z is 0 and phi is from. That means this is cylindrical coordinates that are given, where you have where z is already specified and your phi is a range that is given, that is 30 to 60 degrees. Okay, so if this is z, this is y, this is x, and a phi, as you all know, that it starts from x-axis. We start measuring it from x-axis, and somewhere here is suppose 30 degrees, and you go up to 60 degrees. Then this is what you're gonna get, what you'll get. And since rho is not given, so rho can be anything between 0 to infinite. And as you can see, this structure, whatever you'll get, this can vary up to infinite, because your rho is variable from 0 to infinite, and this has got no height. That is because z is 0, so it's completely on the xy plane. As you can see, it's completely on the xy plane. Z is also 0, so it's on the xy plane, and it's so it has no length as such. It has no length, and it's on the x. First statement says the wedge lies in xy plane. That is absolutely correct. Then next, it is infinitely long. How can it be infinitely long? It has no length because z is 0 at the first place. Okay, so it has no height as such, so this statement is wrong. Then on the wedge, rho is between 0 to infinite, obviously, because the rho is not specified. So so we'll consider the entire range of rho, that is 0 to infinite. Okay, so it's an infinite wedge, you can say. So this is correct. Then unit normal. Okay, what will be the unit normal to this? Since it lies in xy plane, so obviously anything I draw perpendicular to xy plane will be either plus az or minus az. Okay, that is, it will be in the plus z direction or in the negative z direction. So this is absolutely correct. Then it has written wedge includes neither x-axis nor y-axis. Yeah, that's correct, because it's over here, it doesn't include the axis. It's between phi is equal to 30 degrees and phi is equal to 60 degrees. So axis, it's not touching the axis at all. So this is correct. So the question says which of the following is incorrect. That means my B statement, this is wrong. That is, it is infinitely long. So this will be my answer. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.